High volumes of plastic scrap don't have to take up valuable floor space. Vanden can provide a range of vertical balers with some serious volume reduction. This maxi baler here, also commonly known as a mill-size baler, only takes up a 2.6 square metre footprint. It's 1.8 metres long across the front, and 1.3 metres deep, and it's 3.6 metres tall when we include the ram. They punch out a 450 kilo plus bale of plastic, and on installation we provide induction training, and they come with a 3-year service agreement. They're available on lease purchase or lease only. So get in touch with Vanden and find out what vertical balers may be suitable for your facility today.